morning. Today I will discuss about special angles in trigonometry. Already last two classes I discussed about trigonometry, some concepts. Okay, that four quadrants, basic trigonometry. Okay, I already have discussed. Now special angles in trigonometry. What is a special angle? Angle. What is angle? Angle. Angle means already you know these three concepts. This is line. This is line segment. Okay, it is line segment. This is ray. Already in lower standard. Already you know this total three concepts. What is line? Line has no endpoints. Both direction extended infinitely. That is straight line or line. Line segment. What is line segment? A line having joining of 2 points. Compulsory it has two endpoints. The line having compulsory it has both directions having two endpoints. Line means no endpoints. Line segment means compulsory it has two endpoints. And ray it has only one endpoint. It has only one endpoint. Other direction extended infinitely. This is ray. But what is angle? Angle means by using this ray concept, I am taking two rays. I am taking two rays. First one, here one ray is rotating. One ray is rotating. That is OA. One ray is rotating like this in anti-clockwise direction. In anti-clockwise direction to reach another position. That is OB. Second ray. OA it is rotating in anti-clockwise direction. Rotating in anti-clockwise nothing but positive direction. It is nothing but angle. One ray is rotating to reach another position. The amount of rotation it is called angle. That is positive angle. Anti-clockwise nothing but positive direction. Once again definition, please listen. One ray is rotating in anti-clockwise direction to reach one position. The amount of rotation is called angle. That is plus theta. That is positive angle. This is positive angle. For example, in clockwise direction, that is negative angle. That is negative angle. Okay, this is the definition. One ray is rotating to reach another position, that is OB, OAN, OB. Two rays is there. Two rays is there. One ray is rotating in anti-clockwise direction to reach another position. The amount of rotation is called angle. In clockwise direction, in anti-clockwise direction, that is positive. In clockwise direction, that is negative. This is anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clock. This is clockwise direction. Okay. These are the positive angle and negative angle. This is angles concept. Here OA is called initial ray. OA is called initial ray. OB is called terminal ray. OB is called terminal ray. Here OA is there na? This OA it is initial ray. This OB it is terminal ray. One more definition by using this initial and terminal ray. Initial ray, the amount of rotation of terminal ray and initial ray is called angle. The amount of rotation of initial ray and terminal ray, that is called angle. That is one more definition. The rotation in anti-clockwise, that is positive. The rotation in clockwise, that is negative. This is the angle concept. Understand? Next, types of special angles. What is the special angles? Special angles. Special angles. Already all of them know. Acute angle means theta less than 90 degrees. Obtuse angle means theta greater than 90 degrees. Right angle means theta equal to 90 degrees. Okay. And complete angle means theta equal to 360 degrees. And straight angle means theta equal to, already in lower standard you know. But here special angles. What is the special angles in trigonometry? Special angles nothing but like this. 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 45 degrees. In order I will go. 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. First of all, learn about this 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Remaining automatically, remaining angles automatically get. Almost these angles are repeated. Special angles are repeated in some problems or some concepts. Here 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Some more angles is there. 18 degrees, 36 degrees, 72 degrees, 54 degrees. That also I will discuss. First of all, these are the basic trigonometry. These are the special types of angles. In basic trigonometry, these are the special types of angles. First of all, 0 degrees. I am discussing about 0 degrees. How much 0 degrees? For 6 ratios. That 6 ratios is there now. That 6 ratios, how much 0 degrees? 0 degrees means I am taken here 2 rays. 2 rays. Here AP 1 ray and AQ 1 ray. That is the definition. The initial ray and terminal ray. The rotation. This is AQ is initial ray. AP is terminal ray. The rotation, amount of rotation is called angle. Here also I am taken like this only by using angle definition. This is angle. Angle always denoted by theta. Angle always denoted by theta. Here AQ, AP I am taken 2 rays. After that I am joining one line here. Joining one line, that is ABC. One perpendicular line I am taking. ABC one line. BC line I am joining. After that, here 2 cases you taken. Theta tends to 0. 2 cases. First I am taken 1 case because only 0 na. We discussed about 0. We discussing about 0 only. That's why taken theta tends to 0. If theta tends to 0 means this angle tends to 0 means compulsory theta tends to 0 means these 2 rays in one position only. 0 with respect to 0 means B tends to C. B tends to C. After that, B tends to C means theta tends to 0 degrees means this is move and equal to this one. First ray. The second ray moves comes to equal to first ray. After the B tends to C means BC tends to compulsory 0. B comes to C position, then BC tends to 0. After that, BC tends to 0, theta tends to 0 means after that AB tends to AB also equals to AC. AB side also equals to AC. AB side also equal to AC. Okay, this AB also equal to AC only. After that, here you taken 6 ratios. Remember this. Understand this total. How many conditions? 3 conditions. Theta tends to 0. Here theta equals to 0 degrees. Theta equal to 0 degrees. 0 degrees means theta become a 0 means this AB is compulsory equals to here AC. AB equals to AC. AB equals to AC and B also equal to EC. B equal to C means BC tends to compulsory 0. B equal to C means BC tends to 0. The B equal to C, BC tends to 0 and AB tends to AC. By using these 3 conditions, what is the sine 0 degrees? Sine 0 degrees equal to sine theta equal to, what is the ratio? Definition of sine theta in ratio, opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Here opposite side nothing but perpendicular to theta. Perpendicular to theta, what is the sine theta equal to BC by, this is opposite side to theta, BC by AB. Opposite side to theta by means perpendicular to theta by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse nothing but AB. BC by AB. Sin 0 degrees equal to BC by AB means BC means how much? 0. BC equal to how much here? 0. From the second condition, BC value 0 by AB. 0 by AB nothing but 0 only. Sin 0 value is 0. Sin 0 value is 0. Cos 0 degrees. Cos 0 degrees. Cos 0 degrees also adjacent side to theta. This adjacent side to theta. AC by AB. AC by AB. AB and AC from third condition. AB from third condition. AB and AC both are equal. AB and AC both are equal from figure. From figure. If theta equal to 0 degrees, if theta equal to 0 degrees, AC and AB both are equal. I am taken AB by AB, that is 1. Cos 0 degrees equal to 1. Cos 0 degrees equal to 1. Same process, remaining 4 automatically we get, because sin theta, cos theta, you know, remaining 4 automatically we get. How to get? Formulas is the simple formula. Tan 0 degrees nothing but what is the ratio of sin 0 and cos 0. In terms of sin and cos, formula is there. Sin 0 already you know, cos 0 already you know. Substitute. Sin 0 degrees equal to 0, cos 0 degrees equal to 1. 0 by 1, 0. Tan 0 degrees equal to 0. Same process, cot 0 degrees equal to, cot 0 degrees equal to, cot 0 degrees equal to how much? Cot 0 degrees equal to, cot 0 degrees equal to cos 0 degrees by sin 0 degrees. Cot theta nothing but, what is the cot theta ratio definition? It is the ratio of cos theta and sin theta. Cos 0 degrees 1, sin 0 degrees equal to 0, 1 by 0. 1 by 0, 1 by 0. And 1 by 0 means compulsory, that is undefined. Infinity or not undefined. Okay, cot 0 degrees equal to. Okay, this is cot 0. Tan 0 degrees, cot 0 is completed. Cosecant 0 degrees equal to. Cosecant 0 degrees equal to cosecant theta. Cosecant theta, what is the reciprocal of cosecant theta? 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin 0 degrees. 1 by sin 0 degrees means sin 0 already we get 0. 1 by 0, that is also undefined. Cosecant 0 degrees also undefined. Cosecant 0 degrees also undefined. Last and final, secant 0 degrees. Secant 0 degrees equal to secant theta equal to, what is that? 1 by cos theta. Secant theta is reciprocal to cos. That's why taken secant 0 degrees equal to 1 by cos 0 degrees. Cos 0 degrees equal to 1. 1 by 1. Therefore, secant 0 degrees equal to 1 only. Secant 0 degrees equal to 1. These are the, remember these values. Sin 0 degrees equal to 0. Cos 0 degrees equal to 1. You remember this sin theta and cos theta, automatically tan, cot, secant, cosecant you get. Because sin theta, cos theta, you know, tan theta equal to what is the ratio of these two terms only. Cot theta also ratio of these two terms only. Cos 0 degrees by sin 0 degrees. Cosecant theta nothing but is reciprocal to sin only. Secant theta nothing but it is reciprocal to cos only. First of all, you learn sin 0 and cos 0, remaining ratios automatically. Okay. This is the process. This is the diagram. Okay. Any doubts is there? Please comment me. I will reply. Okay. This is 0. What about 0 after? I am discussing about 90 degrees. 90 degrees. 90. How? Next 90 degrees I will discuss. First of all, listen. 90 degrees. 90 degrees again I am taken two rays, point of intersection of two rays, angle. This is AP, AQ two rays. After that I am taken ABC. After that here theta, angle definition by using. After that, theta equals to 90 degrees. Theta tends to 90 degrees. Theta equals to 90 degrees. Theta equal to 90 degrees means compulsory that AP ray converts to compulsory like this. This is AP. Like this. AP. After that, please see that like this. Here AP equals to BC. AP also equals to BC. AB means here one point I am taken that B also come to this side. AB, this B also come to this side. B come to this side. After that AB equal to BC or not? Here AB is there compulsory after conversion. Here AB is there. AB equal to BC. AB equal to BC. AB equal to BC. What is become a 0? Which side become a 0? After that this BC tends to 0. This BC tends to 0. This one come to A tends to C. A tends to C. C come to this side. C tends to A. Sorry. C tends to A. C tends to A. After that which one is 0? C tends to A means compulsory that AC tends to 0. AC tends to 0. C tends to A. That AC tends to 0. And AB tends to BC. Total 3 conditions we get. Please see that. C tends to A. AC tends to 0. AB equals to BC. Now first one. What is the first one? Sine. Sine 90 degrees equal to. Sine 90 means what is the, here theta replace 90. What is the condition? Opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. BC by AB. BC by AB means BC by AB. AB equal to how much? AB equal to how much? AB equal to BC. AB equal to BC. After that, BC by BC. Sin 90 degrees equal to how much? 1. Understand? I am taken theta tends to 90 degrees. Once again I will explain. Please see that theta tends to 90 degrees means compulsory that BC side equals to AB. That's why I am taken AB equals to BC. AB equals to BC. After that, C tends to A. Compulsory 90 degrees means C tends to A. This AC become a 0. C tends to A. C tends to A. C come to this side because this move this side. That's why C tends to A. AC tends to 0. Next, by using these 3 conditions, sin 90 equal to what is that? Opposite side or perpendicular to theta by hypotenuse. BC by AB. Here AB, BC both are equal. Then BC by BC sin 90 value is 1. Second, cos 90. Cos 90 degrees equal to. Cos 90 degrees equal to. Cos theta equal to adjacent side to theta. AC by AB. AC value how much? AC tends to 0. 0 by AB. Cos 90 equal to 0. Sin 90 we get, cos 90 we get. Automatic remaining are simple. Third one, tan 90. Tan 90 degrees equal to sin 90 degrees by cos 90 degrees. Sin 90 degrees by cos 90. Sin 91, cos 90 0. Tan 90 equals to 1 by 0 nothing but undefined. Tan 90 equals to infinite. Undefined. After that, cot 90. Cot 90 degrees equal to cos 90 degrees by sin 90 degrees. Cos 90 degrees by sin 90 means how much? Cos 90 by sin 90. Cos 90 0, sin 90 1. 0 by 1. Cot 90 equals to 0. Cot 90 equals to 0. Cot 90 equals to 0. Next, fifth one. Secant 90 degrees. Secant 90. Secant theta is reciprocal to cos theta. That is 1 by cos 90. 1 by cos 90 means 1 by 0. That is undefined. Secant 90 equals to undefined. Infinite. Next, sixth one. Cosec 90. Cosec 90 degrees equal to 1 by sin 90 degrees. 1 by sin 90 degrees. Sin 90 how much? 1. Cosec 90 equals to 1. Cosec 90 equals to 1. These are the 90 degrees only. Okay. By using this diagram. Understand? That is 90 and 0 completed. These are 0 and 90, same diagram with respect to diagram here, but 0 degrees means it is AB moves to AC. 90 degrees means this BC moves to AB. Okay, that one. These three conditions. 0 degrees also get 3 conditions, 90 degrees also get 3 conditions. By using these conditions, I am solving like this. These are the 0 and 90. Remember these values. Next, we discussed about 30 and 60. And 60. Theta equal to 30 degrees, 60 degrees. I will discuss. Theta equal to 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Here, we take an equilateral triangle. I am taking equilateral triangle ABC. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal, na? X, X, X. 3 sides are equal. I am taken one perpendicular also. Here AD one perpendicular. AD is one perpendicular. After that, here equilateral triangle means how much angle? 60 degrees. Here 60 degrees. Here 30 and 30. I am taken one perpendicular. That's why here 30 plus 30. Dividing na, that perpendicular dividing two parts. That is one is 30, one is 30. After that, here we want first this AD value also. AB already there, BC already there, AC already there. What is AD? AD means by using, this is perpendicular na. Perpendicular means by using right angle triangle. By using Pythagoras law, now from triangle ABD, AB square equal to AD square plus BD square. AB square equal to AD square plus BD square. Total BC equal to X. Total BC equal to X. BD how much? Compulsory X by 2. DC how much? Compulsory X by 2. Total BC is X. But BD is X by 2. DC is X by 2. This one how much? AD you have to find out from the Pythagoras law. AB square equal to X square equal to AD square. AD square plus BD square how much? X by 2. X by 2 whole square. After that, X square equal to AD square plus X square by 4. After that, AD square equal to X square minus X square by 4. AD square equal to 3X square by 4. After that, AD is equal to root 3 by 2 into X. AD equal to how much here? Root 3 by 2 into X. AD value. Now, I'll come to ratios. 6 ratios. AD value you get sine 30 degrees. Sine 30 equals to, here taken with respect to sine 30. 30 here sine theta equal to what is the formula? Opposite side to, article perpendicular to theta. Perpendicular to theta by hypotenuse. What is the perpendicular? Perpendicular to theta nothing but AD by hypotenuse. E by AB. Sine 30 equals to hypotenuse root 3 by 2 into X by AB. X by, sorry. Sine 30 opposite side. What is the opposite side? BD. Sine 30, correct? Exact opposite side. Opposite side by hypotenuse. X. X by 2 by X. X cancel. 1 by 2. Sine 30 degrees equal to 1 by 2. After that, sine 30. Please see that. Here 30 degrees opposite side. What is the opposite side? X by 2. BD by What is hypotenuse? X. Next, cos 30. Cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 adjacent side to theta. Adjacent side to theta, what is that? Root 3 by 2 means cos 30 equal to adjacent side nothing but AD. AD by AB. AD by AB means root 3 by 2 into x by x. That is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 30 equals to root 3 by 2. Sin 30 equals to 1 by 2. Sin 30 nothing but opposite side to 30 degrees. BD by hypotenuse AB. BD by AB that equal to 1 by 2. Cos 30 degrees equal to 30 degrees adjacent side is AD. AD by this hypotenuse AB. Cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2. Sin 30 cos 30 completed. Remaining what is that? Tan 30. Tan 30 degrees equal to sin 30 degrees by cos 30 degrees. Sin 30 by cos 30 simplify. Sin 30 already we get 1 by 2. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. 2 cancel 1 by root 3. Tan 30. Same process. Cot 30. Cot 30 equals to cos 30 degrees by sin 30 degrees. Cos 30 degrees by sin 30 degrees, that is root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. 2 cancel root 3. Cot 30 equals to root 3. Tan 30 equals to 1 by root 3. Okay, here tan 30 1 by root 3. Cot 30 equal to root 3. After that, secant 30 how much? Secant 30 degrees equal to, that is 1 by cos 30. 1 by cos 30 how much? Cos 30 root 3 by 2, that is 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. Secant 30. After that, secant 30 degrees equal to 2 by root 3. After that, cosec 30. Cosec 30 degrees equal to 1 by sin 30 degrees. That is 1 by 1 by 2. Cosec 30 degrees equal to 2. This is 30 and 60 next time. 60. 60 degrees. 60 degrees means again and second same triangle, equilateral triangle, last diagram only. A, B, C. Here AD is one perpendicular. Here 60, here 60, here 30, here 30. Here how much? X by 2, X by 2. Here X, X. Here AD how much? Already we get root 3 by 2 into X. Okay. Same process you can solve. Please check this total. Okay, all of them 30. Next 60. Please see that 60. Sin 60. First ratio. Sin 60 degrees equal to. Sin 60 degrees equal to 60 correctly opposite to sin theta. Sin 60 degrees equal to 60 opposite side. That is AD by, what is hypotenuse? AB. AD by AB. Opposite side to 60 is root 3 by 2 into x by hypotenuse is x. Root 3 by 2 into x by x. Sin 60 degrees equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 60. Cos 60 degrees equal to 60. Cos 60 exactly adjacent side is BD by AB. From this triangle only I am taking triangle ABD. Please check this triangle ABD. Write down here. In triangle ABD only. Triangle ABD only I am taken. Cos 60 equal to BD. This is 60 exactly adjacent side. ABD is hypotenuse. X by 2 by x. That is 1 by 2. Cos 60 degrees equal to 1 by 2. Same process. Sin 60 cos 60 we get automatically tan 60. Tan 60 degrees equal to sin 60 degrees by cos 60 degrees. Sin 60 already we get root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. That is tan 60 equal to root 3. Tan 60 equal to root 3. After that,
cot 60 tan 60. Cot 60 also same process now. Cot 60 degrees equal to cos 60 degrees by sin 60 degrees. Cos 60 how much? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. Cancel cot 60 equal to 1 by root 3. Cot 60 equal to 1 by root 3. Same process. Secant 60 degrees equal to 1 by cos 60. Secant theta is reciprocal to cos na. 1 by cos means that is equal to 2. Cos 60 1 by 2 reciprocal to 1 by cos 60 means 2. Secant 60 equal to 2. Secant 60 degrees equal to 2. Same process, simplify cosecant 60. Cosecant 60 also 1 by sin 60. 1 by sin 60 means 2 by root 3. Cosecant 60 degrees equal to cosecant 60 degrees equal to 1 by sin 60 degrees. 1 by sin 60 means 1 by root 3 by 2. That equals to 2 by root 3. Cosec 60 degrees equal to 2 by root 3. Total this is 60, 30, 0, 90 completed. These are the 60. By using equilateral triangle 30 and 60. That 0 and 90 I am taken angle by using angle definition. And 30 and 60 equilateral triangle.
Shabu.